Hey guys, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. Today we're going to be fixing a steak. Now anybody can fix a steak, right? But we're going to be doing it on the Bullseye griddle out here. I got a new griddle for this RecTeq Bullseye and I'm loving this thing. I'm just having a ball with it. But we're going to cook up some steaks out there and see how those turn out on the griddle. And also going to be frying up some fried green tomatoes. Now, if you never had fried green tomatoes before, they kind of taste like a fried mushroom, but maybe you've never had a fried mushroom either. But they're really good. But I'm going to try to do this in like 2 videos, one for the steak and one for the fried tomatoes. That way this video won't be so long. So we're going to be doing the steak out on the griddle, like I said. And guys, while I'm thinking about it, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Normally I keep that for the end of the video, but sometimes I forget. I remember when I first started this, before I even started it, you know, I was always afraid to subscribe to somebody's channel. I didn't want to be bombarded by that person that contacted me all the time, and you know, I didn't know whether there was some kind of fee I had to pay. But nah, none of that happens. I'm not going to bombard you with anything. You're just going to get notifications whenever I come out with a new video, and there's no fees involved or anything. You're just going to get a notification. You can either watch it or not watch it, or say, hey, man, that sounds good, I'm going to watch that. See what SmokinSteve has to say. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll tell you what, let's count it down from 3, and then everybody hit that button. 3, 2, 1. All right. I hope you hit it. Well, if you didn't, I hope you hit it a little later on in the video. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this steak and show you how we're going to get it prepped up. Okay guys, here's our steak right here. It's looking good, looking good. What we're going to be using for our seasoning is Raising the Steaks, made by Dizzy Pig. This is really good stuff. I love it on steaks and any kind of beef. And we're going to follow that up with our coffee rub. So let's go ahead and get this stuff put on here, and we'll get this on the grill. Okay, we're going to start out with our raising the steaks. We're going to get some of that put on there. We want a pretty good coat. I'll pat that in a little bit. Then we're going to follow that up with our coffee rub. I like this combination, guys. It really seems to work on these steaks. We're going to go ahead and get that other side all done, and be putting that on the griddle. So we'll just flip him over and do this other side. Okay, we just hit 500 degrees here on this grill temperature. Let's go ahead and check the griddle, see how hot it is. We got about 321 over here on the right, 350, 360, 372, 86, 400. So I think that's hot enough to get to frying our tomatoes. So we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of oil on there. Got about that much oil. I'm going to get a spatula and get that spread out evenly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this steak thrown on. And we got a little bit of butter here. We're going to let that, going to cook that steak right on top of that butter. What you like to see is that sizzle right there. So let's get her closed up and let her cook. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. It's been on here a few minutes. Let's take a look at that underneath side and see what she's looking like. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. So we're just going to have to flip him over there and let him cook on that side and try to pull him off in that temp at about 145. Okay guys, it's just been a couple minutes more and it probes out about 145 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and get it pulled off, take it in the house, and we're doing a taste test. Look at that baby, really looking good. Got her pulled inside here. This thing is really looking good. Next thing, cut into it and do a taste test. Okay, here it is. Got me a little bite right here. That's what she's looking like. A little bit of pink on the inside. We're going in. Oh yeah. Nice and juicy, nice flavor. Just a touch of heat from that Wonderbird seasoning. It's really good. Guys, I'm loving that griddle. You're gonna have to fix you a steak on that thing. It's really good. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.